The dawn of autonomous warfare, a closer look. The history of autonomous weapons dates back to the 20th century, during the World Wars. The German V-2 rocket, a forerunner of today's lethal autonomous weapons systems, was used extensively in the World War. These rockets were essentially unmanned, computer-guided ballistic missiles, marking the first known use of autonomous weapons. This video is brought to you by Intel Prime Video. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the face of warfare is changing rapidly. In the past couple of decades, there have been significant advancements in technology and artificial intelligence. These advancements have led to the development of lethal autonomous weapon systems, also known as LAWs, or more colloquially, killer robots. Countries like the United States, China, and Russia are heavily investing in the development of these weapons. The use of autonomous drones has already been reported in conflicts in Libya and Ukraine. The emergence of these machines has sparked intense debates about their benefits and risks, as well as the need for regulation or a blanket ban. One significant event in the history of autonomous weapons occurred in March 2020. During a military conflict in Libya, a military-grade autonomous drone, known as a Lethal Autonomous Weapons System, or LAWS, made its wartime debut. This incident marked a chilling first in the history of warfare. The drone, a Kargu 2 attack drone made by Turkish company STM, was reportedly used during fighting between the UN-recognized Government of National Accord, backed by Turkey, and forces aligned with General Khalifa Haftar, backed by Russia. The Kargu 2 can be operated both autonomously and manually. It uses machine learning and real-time image processing against its targets. The UN report noted that these lethal autonomous weapon systems were programmed to attack targets without requiring data connectivity between the operator and the munition, in effect, a true fire, forget and find capability. The use of autonomous weapons isn't limited to the battlefield. Recent developments have seen the deployment of advanced air defense missile systems such as Terminal High Altitude Area Defense and Patriot systems in the Middle East. These systems, while not completely autonomous, do have autonomous capabilities. The ethical implications of these developments are vast and complex. Who is accountable for war crimes committed by autonomous weapons? How do we regulate the use of these weapons? These are questions that we need to answer as we move forward in this new era of warfare.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.